You're question 5? Oh no, wait, stop typing.
What?
Wait, ready? I have my recipe for you.
Okay.
Okay. It's time to let me move all my stuff. 4 tablespoons of butter.
Wait. Let's go. 4 tablespoons of butter.
Butter.
Yep.
Half an onion.
Half an onion.
4 tablespoons of butter.
Again?
Sorry, flour.
4 tablespoons of butter. Dovi, while I type this in English,
Flour.
translate this in
Flour.
Spanish for our Spanish viewers.
3 pounds of chicken cooked.
Alright, yo! Alright, okay, wait, what do we do? What am I doing?
Translate.
Diced.
Translate what?
This to Spanish for our Spanish viewers.
Which
2
one?
cups of chicken broth.
Starting now. 2 cups of chicken broth.
Okay, 2 tazas de pechuga de pollo.
1 cup of cooked potatoes.
Cooked potatoes.
De papa cocinada.
Okay.
Half a cup of whole kernel.
Half a cup of whole kernel.
Media taza de...
Oh, what's a whole kernel?
I have no idea what that is.
A cup of what?
You wrote a cup twice.
Yeah, a cup.
Half a cup of
Whole kernel corn.
Whole kernel corn.
Yep.
Media de maíz. No, de elote.
Half a cup of cooked diced carrot.
Cooked iced carrots?
Cooked diced carrot.
Okay.
Half a cup of
Half a cup of
pea.
Ooh, I'm playing it a lot.
peas. Okay.
No, you have to write it peas. Like peas.
Peas?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, write it like that.
Sorry, I lagged out a little bit. Let me translate. Where was it?
Just start from the beginning.
Okay. Wait, from what? From 4 tablespoons? Okay. 4 tazas. No, tazas. Cucharas de mantequilla. Media de cebolla. 4 cucharas de... ¿De qué es esto? Flour. Harina. Ajá. 3 libras de pollo cocinado. Tiene que estar picada. Dice, picado. Okay. 2 tazas de broth. Shoot, I don't know what broth is. Pollo. Creo que es caldo de pollo. Una taza de papas cocinadas, media taza de elote, media taza de zanahoria cocinada, pero machucada, no machucada, picada, y media taza de chícharos.
Okay.
Yeah,
A tablespoon of parsley.
Wow, parsley.
And a third of
I have
A third of what?
sage.
Sage?
I'm right here.
Just start after sage.
Dude, you better... No, I'm not reading shit. You gotta...
Oh my god. What part of it don't you
Present this.
understand?
Dude, you gotta present this. Statue.
Bro.
Preheat. What is this?
What is
On.
What word is this? Onion?
That's onion.
Dude, we got Degrassi.
Degrassi, Neil deGrasse. What?
Please?
Combine check. You gotta combine check.
Wait. Copy
What?
this with it like written like this, and then post it into the general in
my.
the sanctuary, and then just see how people react.
Okay.
Like, don't fix anything. Just leave it how it is.
Is this it?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Bruh! No!
Okay, go.
Do what? What
Read.
am I doing?
Spanish.
God damn, I can't read with you freaking correcting every single
Well,
thing.
you asked for it. Okay, go.
Combine, dude, it's not check, it's chicken.
What? What chip?
The one that you just changed. That's not check, it's combine. Dude, it makes no sense. Combine check and vegetables. What the hell is check?
You asked me! Go!
Haz pollo, vegetales, un poquito de cebolla, 400 grados, acá bien chingón.
Rápido.
Media taza de harina,
Ajá.
ponle ahí un poquito
Sí.
ya sabes, de esa madre blanca, crema agria y lo echas en la cocina 20 minutos. Ahora le pon a ti.
Let's go. Going after.
Beautiful.
Read it. I'm done.
That was
was
great.
wonderful,
That was
Dovi.
amazing. Thank you.